All right, let's look at this inequality. Y is less than or equal to 1/2 x plus 1. If I wanted to graph this, let's look at our components here. What parts of this inequality do we have in order to help us graph? We have our slope and our constant. Our slope is what? 1/2. Our constant or our start point is going to be?
1.
Can I graph? Yes, because I already written the slope in this form. I got what I need to graph. So I'm going to go ahead and start at 1. My slope is up 1 to the right 2 because it's a positive. Up 1 to the right 2. Up 1 to the right 2. Up 1 to the right 2. I'm going to go down 1 to the left, down 1 to the left, and I continue on. Now, what type of line is this going to get? What is my indication for this one? A solid line, because it has the equal to sign that tells me that I'm part of the solution. Therefore, there's my solid line. Only thing we have left to do would be to what? Test the shade. Which point can I use? I can use 0, 0 because does this go through my origin? No, it doesn't, because this is my origin right here. It has to go through this point here. In other words, I have to have a start point of what? 0. I have to have a start point of 0 in order for it to go through the origin. So therefore, all I'm simply going to do is plug in 0, 0. 0 for y, which makes it 0 is less than or equal to what? 1. Good. Is 0 less than or equal to 1? Yes. So here's my test point. Is this true or false? What did our information tell us about true region? What does true say? Okay, so where's my test point located? So where should I shade? Underneath. So in other words, your test point, the location of your test point has nothing to do with where you shade. Because your test point could be above and be true and you have to shade it above. Your test point could be above but be false and you have to shade what? Below, because you have to always shade the true region. Your test point could be below the line and true and you would have to shade below. But your test point could also be below and be false and you would have to shade the opposite direction. Your location of your test point has nothing to do with where you shade, whether it's true or false. Has everything to do with where you shade. Okay? Are we clear on that, on those directions? Questions? Okay, good.